Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to do Google keywords research, and for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. And when you are in the browser you have to simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, then simply click on enter. After that you have to just simply choose the first website from here, and once you are here you have to just simply click on the sign in option and the start now option according to your preferences, and after that it will simply take you to a page like this. Then what you need to do is simply click on the campaigns icon from here, then simply expand the audiences, keywords and content from here, and after that what you need to do is simply click on the keywords option from here, and once you click on the keywords option you have to just simply click on the plus icon from here. And once you click on the plus icon you have to just choose the campaigns that you are currently running. So let's say I have chosen the first one from here, campaign #1. Then here you can see there are two ad groups, so let's say I'd like to go for the first one. And here you can see that it has already taken us to this page, and here you can just simply paste your keywords, and you can just simply research it accordingly by clicking on the save icon. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.